So if you look at some of our customer base, given the current times and some of our COVID-19, we've had a set of our customers, kind of especially in some of the food and beverage area, where their business has just been just really good, right? I mean, they are having to run extra shifts. They're having to produce a lot more. We've had a set of customers whose business has somewhat been business as usual, right? And then we have a set of customers whose businesses have been, greatly affected. And in those, there are kind of a couple of, a couple of groups. One who kind of pivoted to make different things, whether those things be ventilator parts or masks or other items. In some cases, hand sanitizer. And then some groups that really just were really impacted by them. So we've had to kind of work with these customers in different ways depending on what they're doing with their business. And in some sense, we had to understand, what was going on, kind of in these different customer segments and customer areas.